Hello and welcome. Let's solve another interesting question. The question says we should find the red polygon area and what? Perimeter. So we want to find the area and perimeter of the shape you are seeing on the board. All right. So how do we go about this? For us to do this, you are going to think outside the box. All right. But you have to note carefully that we are given from this point to this point to be what? 2x. And don't forget, this arrow that is looking like a parallel line is telling us that this length here is the same thing as this length here, it's the same thing as this length here, it's the same thing as this length here, and this one here is the same thing as this one. So if this one is 2x, it means this whole length here is 2x, this place is 2x, this place is 2x. Is that clear? And from here to here is given to us as 3x. This place is x, and this place too is going to be what? X. The length from this point to this point is given to us as what? As 40. All right. So that means that for us to solve this question now, we are going to we can complete this line ourselves, then join this one to it. All right. So that's what we are going to do in order to solve this question, in order to form a triangle. All right. So let's do that. All right, so join this. All right, so this is what we have. Now, we said this place here is 2s, right? And this line here, it must be equal to this line here, as you can see. So it means this place is going to give us 2s. All right, so it means that place is going to be 2s. Now, don't forget we said this place is s, and this place too must be equal to this. So this place is going to also to be what? S. All right, so if we bring out the triangle now, we are going to have something like this. We're going to have something like this. I love bringing out everything so that you can see yourself clearly. All right, so we are going to have something like this. All right, so now it means here the total length here is going to be 2s plus s, which is 3s. All right, and the full length here is 40. Its full length here is going to be 3s plus s, which is what? 4s. All right, so for us to find our s here, we are going to be using what we call Pythagoras theorem, which says the hypotenuse side is the sum of the two other sides, provided that they are all what? They are all square. So it means 40 square will be equals to 3s square plus what? Plus 4s square. All right, so 40 square is 1600. Is that clear? Which is equals to 3s square is going to give us what? 9s square plus 16s square. All right, if we add this and this together, we are going to get 25. It means 1600 is equals to 25s square. All right, so for me to get s square, I'm going to divide both sides by what? By 25. By 25. So this will go in this, right? And 1600 divided by 25 is nothing but what? 64. So it shows that s squared is equals to what? 64. So s is equals to the square root of 64, and the value of s is going to be what? 8. So the value of our s here is what? 8. All right. Now that we know the value of s, we can therefore go for the perimeter now. All right, you know perimeter is just the sum of the total distance. All right, so perimeter denoted by P will be equals to, now let's start with this. This one is 2s. So it's going to be 2 into what? 8 plus what? Plus 2s again. It's going to be 2 into what? 8 plus 2s again. It's going to be 2 into what? 8 plus what? This line here is going to be what? This line here is going to be x. It's going to be x. So this place is going to be, and our s is nothing but what? 8. So it's going to be 8 plus 3s. Our 3s, that is 3s plus, that is 3s. So it's going to be 3 into s, that is 8. Sorry, 3s. It's 3 into 8 plus, then from here to here is also 2s. So it's going to be 2 into 8 plus Then we have from here to here to be what? S. Then from here to here is S. So it's going to be 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, that is what? 16. All right. So if we sum all of this together, we are going to have our perimeter 2 in 8, that is 16, plus 16, plus 16, plus 8, plus 24, plus 16, plus 16. All right. If you sum all of this together, you are going to have your perimeter to be nothing but what? 112. 112 units. All right, so that is our perimeters. All right, let's go for the area now. So area now, we are going to divide this shape into 3 parts. Now we can divide it like this. Let's cut this part out. All right, so let's cut this part too. So let's call this one. Let's call this one A1, this one A2, and this one A3. All right. So let's go for our A1 first. So A1 is nothing but a what? A rectangle. That is length times what? Times breadth. So it's going to be length times breadth, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 3s multiplied by what? S. So we are going to have 3s multiplied by s. Sorry, x. So we are going to have this to be 3 into 8 multiplied by what? 8. So if you do the math, that is 24 times 8, you are going to have what? I'm going to have this to be what? I'm going to have this to be 192. All right. All right. So now let's go for A2. A2 will be equals to, now this is also a rectangle, that is length times breadth, that is 2s multiplied by what? By s. This place here is going to be what? S. That is 8. All right. So we are going to have this to be 8. So it's going to be 2x. This length times breadth again, which is what? 2s multiplied by s. So 2 into 8 multiplied by what? By 8. So 2 into 8, that is 16. 16 times 8 is 128. 128. All right. So now let's go for A3. Our A3 is nothing but what? This is going to be a what? A square. You can see this side here is the same thing as this side. So, and the area of a square is just what? L square. So, and it's nothing but what? S. It's going to be S square. So, it's going to be 8 square, which is going to give us what? 64. All right. So, now, the area, now we can add everything together now to get the area of the shape. So, our area will be equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3, which is equals to what? What is our A1? Our A1 is 192 plus A2, 128 plus what? Plus 64. So if you sum this together, you are going to get nothing but what? 300 and what? 84. 384. So 384 units square. All right. So that will be the answer to this. All right. So that is it. So that is how to go about this question. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Please don't forget to share with your friends who might be in need of it. Thanks.